Yeah, and it's a really hot one out there already, and it will only be getting hotter as we head into the next few hours. So you want to avoid being outside. I feel for the peacocks because, my goodness, the heat is brutal out there for human beings and for animals. Like as we take a look, we do have an alert going on until 7 p.m. An excessive heat warning for Miami-Dade and Broward County. Feels like temperatures up to 115 this afternoon, and an advisory for the Florida Keys could feel like up to 110 degrees. Right now, it already feels like 109 in Miami, and the actual temperature is 93. Feels like 107 in Fort Lauderdale, and the actual temperature right now already 92, and it's only 12:14. And then 91 in Key West, feels like 106 as the clouds are beginning to build. And I think we may be tying or breaking records today, especially in Miami, with those highs forecast to be in the mid to upper 90s, and feels like temperatures in the triple digits. So as of now, I'm actually tracking a little bit of rain now developing over parts of Aventura near North Miami, Little Haiti, and as the afternoon goes on, with the heating of the day and just enough moisture, that will spark some storms. It won't be as widespread as we typically see this time of year, but into the evening there may be some downpours and some flooding as we've had the last few days. So just a heads up, keep your rain gear close. Of course, we just had our chief meteorologist and hurricane specialist Ivan Cabrera breaking down those numbers. NOAA now increasing the potential for an above normal Atlantic hurricane season. But as I check in on the tropics for you, I can tell you I have good news, at least for now. The next 7 days, not expecting any cyclone development as we have plenty of Saharan air, that dry air, which is helping to inhibit and disrupt tropical systems for the time being. There are a few waves out there, in particular this wave near the Lesser Antilles, which is forecast to move generally to the west-northwest across the Caribbean, and it'll bring some moisture with it, and that will increase our chance for storms. In the meantime, for today, we have the alert day going, which may be extended into tomorrow. You notice it is still going to be sizzling with highs well above normal in the mid to upper 90s. We could see some records again, and we may see some more heat warnings and advisories going into the weekend. Not looking as hot, as highs will be in the low 90s, a little closer to normal, and we'll see about a 50% chance of rain. It's not looking like a washout by any means, but certainly going to see more in the way of wet weather, which could bring us some relief from this extreme and dangerous heat we've been dealing with. And even going into next week, we'll see more of the same, about a 40-50% chance of rain.